you can see, the photos are not the best.
So now you know, like, all pictures on
Yeah.
storageauctions.com suck. Right?
So the better the photos, people are more willing to buy.
So now the boots on the ground people, they're going out, they're taking all the pictures. They have a lot of pictures, so you're pissed off at us. They're taking crappy pictures and stuff, And so, and then
Pictures of their thumb.
yeah, exactly. They take pictures. That was Pete. I was like, what is that? What is that picture? And he's
Pictures
like,
of
oh
their
yeah, that's
thumb.
my thumb. And then what do they do with the pictures? They just upload them to like Google
They
Drive or
send it.
something?
They send it to us in a Google album. So just like they do on a regular walkthrough for us, whenever we're like go to this facility and take photos, they do everything, and then they send us a Google album link, and then we
Okay.
save them how we want to save them. But I don't trust my boots on the ground people enough to file correctly. So I
Yeah.
just handle we like us in the office handle that.
Okay.
And then we take the photos and then we upload them to storage auctions. After you have the photos all uploaded and everything looks nice and pretty, you launch it. You should launch it for at least 2 weeks. So that's 6 weeks after the 26th, and then we could finally have auction day.
Mhm. Okay, so the 26th, 2 weeks what was the first 2 weeks for?
2 weeks is after the letters. You have to mail the letters
Okay.
in the wait.
Oh
Then
yeah,
2
okay.
weeks for the newspaper,
Okay.
and then
And then
2
2 weeks for
weeks
the
for the
actual
auction.
auction.
Yeah.
Okay. So ultimately it's taking 6 weeks to get like one auction done. Yeah.
Plus
Okay.
the month of them actually being late. So from
Yeah.
it's like 2.5 months of them not paying anything in order for them to get to an auctions, like till
Mhm,
auction
mhm,
day. And
mhm,
that's not including all the phone calls and letters and text messages and emails and everything, to get them out, because I don't want to do as many auctions, and I know they don't want to lose their stuff.
mhm, mhm, mhm. Now, can you share? Do we have any more auctions going in storageauctions.com right now? Or are we done?
They all closed as of 9:30 last night.
Oh, 9:30 last night. So there's nothing. Can you share storage auctions with
Yep,
us.com and like show us kind of how it works and everything? I think it's best if you do it. And then if you can share your screen if it allows you
yep,
to.
yep,
Oh,
yep. Let me
yeah.
log in really
Yeah.
quick so I don't see
And
my
then
passwords.
show everybody what storage auctions, I mean auction con whatever storageauctions.com looks like. And then like what kind of like maybe go through like a couple of examples. I think you should probably see them in your account. What does it look like? Like we sold, we sold all kinds of stuff. Yeah. What are we selling for us?
All
Look
right,
up like
so
Michigan
this is
or
what
something.
the auction site looks like. Do y'all see my screen?
Yeah, we
Or
see
no?
it. It looks
Okay.
good.
Okay, so this is what the auction site looks like for bidders. So if they like, ooh, I really want this green chair, this is the photos they have. And as you can see, the photos are not the best. It looks like they have their settings on their phone really wonky.
That's
Um,
not ours,
that's
right?
not ours. This is just this is
So now you know like all pictures on
yeah.
storageauctions.com suck, right?
So the better the photos, people are more willing to buy just because so normally when you have an auction, like see here's a sync storage button. I can sync it
Mhm.
and it pops up a number over here if I need to auction something, but I don't need to auction anything right now, but it would pop up
Uh-huh.
right there. So I can
So now you got view ended auctions. That's good. So these are all the auctions that have finished. Maybe you could show us a couple or something. Yeah. So what
so
does it
this
look
is
like?
what it's gonna look like. I'm opening Cherry Station just because it's
Okay.
the one that needs the most help. So this is you put like the end date, you put like the start time, this is all the legal jargon that goes in this auction instructions. This is what gets added to every invoice that they get. So you could say like, do not go to the facility, call us before make a payment. And then has all the unit numbers here. And you can also view the unit. So I'm going to go down to one of the ones that we sold. It was the highest one we sold, and
Yeah.
Stacy
Show us
doesn't
the
know this
highest one.
number.
Which one do we get? Show
You're
us
going to
the
be
highest one.
so
Yeah.
excited, Stacy, when I show you this one.
Let me see. What do we make? How much money did we make?
Hold on.
Whoa, we got that. We got that trailer for $6,000.
Hmm.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Somebody pays $6,000 for this thing.
6,000, and it's already been paid.
Whoa, that's crazy. So this is so Cherry Station Store, just so you guys know, is the storage plus the parking. And we and actually talk about vehicles and kind of like what's the process to be able to auction this thing off. This
It's
is
the
this
same. We realized after and it might be different per state, but we noticed in Tennessee and in um ooh, I did that. In Tennessee and in Georgia, it's the same. So we just have to auction it like a nor as long as we go through the same process as a unit, then you can auction it. However, the
okay.
person who wins the vehicle has to take the sales receipt, has to take the auction receipt, has to take the newspaper article, has to take pretty much proof of all the steps that it went to auction to their DMV so they can say, look, I legally purchased this in an auction. I need the title for it. Because we don't
Okay.
have a title for them because we can't even get a hold of the person to pay for it, much less have them give us title.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.